guys, today is new release day, so we are going to go through a few of the things. I do have extra things that I'm working on right now that'll probably be coming out before the Planner Social sale, which is March 17th. So if you're like, this is a bulk kind of everything that I have right now, and then I will be adding to it as the month progresses, along with what the spring freebies are going to be and some exclusive art stuff and some other things. So, but this is the bulk of what's releasing right now. So I'm going to go through all of this stuff really quickly, these two, because I already have separate videos for these two things, but then we'll go through some of the other stuff. So move this off to the side. So this right here is the March journaling bundle. I do have a video for this. I will very quickly go through it just so that you can see. It comes in this little plastic container here. There's no journal this month. It is just the bundle itself. And so I didn't put it inside of the cello yet because I knew I was going to show you. So it comes with 2 rolls of washi. I have them swatched out right here so you can see them. 2 rolls of washi. You get the Zig Clean Color dot pen in platinum. Then there are, let me move this over so that I can, hopefully I don't drop anything. I just did. Okay, really quickly, you have your vellum sheet. Then I'll go from the bottom to the top, I think. Then you have your deco sheet, your washi sheet. This here is your, yep, I can do this, journaling sheet. Right there. And then there's a mini kit. So this month you get a standard vertical mini kit as well. Since there's no journal, I wanted to give you more stickers. So we have more stickers to play with. I still have a few journals up. There's a couple of the book lover and there's a couple of the true crime ones. So if you want those journals, you can, you know, if you're like need a journal, there's still a couple of each of those up there. Not too many, I think 3 and 2 or something like that. So if you need a journal, those are there and they're ready to go. So then you got your days, your months, your quote sheet, your March prompts, and then there's a whole bunch of these. So there's 2 of this one with the daily, and it's got the Sunday through Saturday, and it's got the little checklist, and you can make a little list here, put some notes at the bottom. Perfect for journaling pages. And then there's 4 of these. So there's 2 of those and 4 of these. And these are just little things with notes. So you can put your notes in there, and they have all the different patterns on the background so that you can just do like all kinds of different pages with your like your little daily notes on there and make your little bullet journal stuff. Then we've got all these, which I'll just set them down. So these are all stickers. These are perfect for when you want to decorate a page, do your lists, whatever. The journaling prompts are up on the Facebook group. The first one is up already, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'll leave everything linked below so you can find the Facebook group, and then you can join in on the journaling stuff. There's a $25 a month giveaway at the end of the month for anybody who participates in the journaling prompts. So there's that. That's the March journal. Then we have the March Melt Box, which is birthday themed because March is my birthday. So I wanted to do a birthday themed one. So in this one, you get a sticker pack. You get the bag with the Wonderland. It's got the singing flowers on the background. You get stickers. I added more stickers because I wanted to add more stickers. So you get, and this is something that has never been in the shop before. The artwork has been there before. It was one of, I think March 2 years ago, this was the exclusive art set, but we've never had a journaling kit. So here's the journaling kit. I've had mini kits, but I reformatted the mini kits. So this is a newly reformatted mini kit with your full boxes, your washi page, and your date covers. Then these are reformatted to add check boxes in there. So there's that one, and then this one with more check boxes. So you can see that has changed a little bit just to make it a little bit more functional. Then in here, we've got this cute sticker with the coffee sticker. It's pretty big. And then there is quotes for Wonderland quotes, and then you've got your wax tracker burner thing. Then in here, we have our stickers. I'm trying to do this fast so that you're not like, but if you see this, you don't have to go see that. If you already saw that, you can just skip past this part. So trying to cover all the bases for everybody. So here's your sticker pack, and here are your stickers. So we've got very sassy Alice. You've got your wax You've got some presents. Whoops. You got your wax burner with the Mickey ears. You got your singing flowers, more singing flowers. Look at this cake. I love this cake. And then you've got the same that's on here in sticker form. And then last but not least, the wax, what's called a melt box. Let's go. So first up, cranberry apple marmalade. Oh my God, so good. I can't stop smelling these. Oh my, it smells good enough to eat. So that's this one. This one smells like cranberries, apples, spices. It's like a real fruity, but really nice scent. Then you got blueberry cobbler, which I thought when I first got this, because I love blueberry cobbler, but I thought, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like the blueberry smell, because I've had other candles that have the blueberry smell that I didn't like. But this one, I don't know how to explain it. It's so good. It's like blueberries and graham crackers. That's what it smells like to me. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I was surprised, actually. I was a little worried when I was making that one that I wasn't going to like it. This is the one that I thought I was going to like the most because I am a pumpkin caramel nut. I love it. And it does smell amazing. Absolutely amazing. But out of all three of these, my favorite one is the one that I didn't think I would like, which is the blueberry cobbler. It smells fantastic though. And it's got the sugar sprinkles on top. So this one is pumpkin caramel crunch. So those are the three wax melts for this month. And I'll move this guy off to the side so we can get into this. So this one is full. I had to have one for myself because this is so stinking adorable. So this is the top loading sticker storage 5x7. Let me open it like this so you can see it. So stinking cute. I love this so much. This took me forever to line up all these little guys, but I think it came out fantastic. I think I got them all peeking out perfectly to where you can tell what they are. You see all their adorable eyeballs everywhere. So it comes in 5x7 top loading, and it also comes in a 5x7 reusable. So here's the reusable one. So I wanted to show you that real quick, and now we can get into the kits. And I stuck them all in this box. So like I said, there's still a couple more coming out, but I think I'm gonna go, let me just quickly go in here and kind of separate some stuff. All right, we'll start with the True Crime. So this was last month's journaling bundle, so there are some of these still available if you want them. But I also made kits to go with it so that if you're not a journaler and you love this artwork, it's there for you. So we have the Hobo Cousin. Let me zoom you in just a little bit. So this is the Hobo Cousin Daily. It's a 2-page kit. Then you've got the Hobo Cousin Weekly, which is also a 2-page kit. Right there. Then the add-on for the standard vertical is the B6 2-page kit. We also have a deco sheet, which for some reason I have 2 of them in here, but there's a deco sheet if you want that. And then there is the actual kit itself, which you have your full boxes, 1 more full box, and your washi and your date covers, your page 2, your page 3, page 4, page 5. Switched this up to where now you have your check boxes on your page 5, page 6, sorry, page 7 and page 8. I can't count. How did I end up there? There's 8 pages. I don't know. I think I just counted wrong. I'll have to go through and try to figure out what I just did. But anyway, that's the True Crime bundle. Okay, and then I'm like still freaking out about how I managed to miscount that. Anyway, let's get into Cherry Blossom. So love Cherry Blossom. It is so pretty, and I have a lot of options here. So for Cherry Blossom, let's start. We'll just go right here. So there are add-on fashion boxes. I'll put all 4 of them down. So there's 4 different add-on choices that you can pick from. Red, brown, black, blonde. Pick your hair color. So we've got those. If they give this as an option where there's a lot of girls with different hair colors, I'm going to always add them. If they don't have a lot of options, then obviously there's not much I can do about it. Then this here is the full kit. I'll start with the back pages so I can lay them down and you can see them. So there is page 8 and page 7. Let's see if I can do it right this time. Page 6 and page 5. Page 4. Page 3, page 2, and page 1. So that's your standard vertical right there. Then we have I love these, journaling. So you have a journaling kit. And then we'll get into the Hobo Cousin. So we have our daily here. Oh, that's why it's so thick. There was something extra in there. Then we have, oh, I forgot. Before we get to that, there's a B6 add-on for the standard vertical. You've got a weekly, Hobonichi weekly kit here. Then you've got a Hobonichi monthly kit right there. So there's that. So there's a lot here to choose from. So I'll put that one off to the side. Let's shove that up there. And then we have, I know I'm kind of running through this fast, but I don't want this video to be super, super long because trying to find the end of this. This is what happens when you go from the back. I don't know. Anyway, let's get on to the first exclusive art set that I have, which is restricted section. This actually came out last month, but really late. So I'm going to do the video showing it to you here, but you have your add-ons. I think these are the add-ons. Yeah, those are the add-ons. So you can either get the full box add-on or a B6 add-on. Then this is the kit itself. So page 8, 7, there's your 6 and your 5 with your deco, your 4 and your 3 with your numbers, and then these two here. So this is so out of focus. Let me bring it up here so you can see. That's your full boxes, and then this is your washi date covers and your 9th box. So there is restricted section. I'm trying to do a better job at showing you this. I don't know why it's coming out so wonky like that. Then we have In Bloom. So In Bloom has a monthly. This is also in printable, so you can find this in printable. I think Cherry Blossom is also in printable if you're looking for a printable kit. But here's your monthly. This one has the April Fool's, spring starts, that kind of stuff. Then I added some things, Earth Day, Tax Day, Easter, like some more of the spring quote boxes in here. And then you got your months. Then you have your sidebar. So your sidebar and some extra boxes, payday, bill due, some more scripts here with the birthday, vacation, important anniversary. So there's that. Maybe if I back you out just a teeny bit, I can get up closer. And then this here is your top banners. So here's top banner number 1, top banner number 2, and then you've got all your extra boxes in here and some more flags with bill due and paydays on them. So that's the monthly. Then we have the monthly for the Hobonichi Cousin. It's 2 pages. So here's that. And then you've got the daily for the cousin. And then you've got the B6 add-on. I also have the weekly for the cousin, but I used it. So I don't have it here to show it to you, but it's on the website so you can see it. But here's your B6 boxes and your B6 washi and date covers. Then we have, these are the fashion option extras. So you've got the different hands and the different skin tone and hair at the top from the actual kit itself. Then your 8 full boxes, your washi and your 9th box. Then you've got your date dots and some more full boxes, which are great for quotes. Your to-dos, today's, bill stuff, like sidebar extras if you want to use the sidebar stuff for that. Then this one has some trackers, some swatches, then lots and lots of headers and some color boxes, your flags and your deco, and then some more pattern boxes and your checklists. So that is In Bloom. And now for the big release, we have the Wednesday kit. Oh, I love this kit so much. This came out so good. I can't wait to use it. I'm about to use it in a plan with me right after I film this, which is why I'm filming this now, because this is my copy of it. So here we have your extra boxes. So this is an add-on if you want the whole group together and you want some more of the scenery boxes. That's that. I'll show you, I'm going to go through the main kit first, and then I'll go through the extra stuff. So here are your 8 full boxes. Love this. Look at that spooky kit. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And then the callback to the Addams Family in the back. It's just so perfect. And then your page 2 with the Nevermore Academy, your washi, your date covers, your page 3. Okay, I can do this. Your page 4, your page 5 with your deco, your flags, check boxes and pattern boxes. This one, and lots and lots of headers and some more colored boxes. So that is your full main kit, and your extra boxes if you want them. Then we have a B6 add-on that you can do as well. Here's the B6 add-on page and the B6 washi and date covers. So you have that. Then we have this, which is new. This was the first one I did with the new layout for the journaling kits. So this is the new journaling kit layout. Hope you guys like this. But there's some more boxes in here. So if you are doing like dailies in your hobo cousin or something like that, these are perfect because you throw down a box, a couple little pieces of deco, and you are good to go. And then you've got all your washi, ripped washi pages, a long washi strip right here, some bigger deco, and some paint swatches, and Kiss Cut Monday through Sunday. So that is the new. This is the new format for all of the kits that are coming out from this point forward will be in this format for the journaling kits. So that is everything that I have for that. But stay tuned. I just got this in the mail today, and this is going in the plan with me. So collaboration with Tiny Little Tulip again. Look at this. How beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I cannot wait. So I got 3 different colors here. This one is the hollow. So look at your box overlays, your headers, more box overlays. Look at this. I'm not in a bad mood. This is just me. It's so perfect. I love this. Love, 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 love. And then some more headers. And then look at your bougie boxes. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. 2 pages of that. And then look at your washi overlays. Deco. This is deco. Oh, it's so beautiful. So, so beautiful. And then your last page with all of your scripts, your numbers, and some of the icons. I love it. Okay, so this one's purple. I'll show you all of them, but I'll stop and show you the bougie boxes, which are, oh, look at that. It's just gorgeous. So this is purple. Let me get through it. And then this one is Purple Hollow, which is just absolutely stunning. This is what I'm going to be using in the plan with me, but it is gorgeous. I just can't even. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. So this one, I will leave Tiny Little Tulip linked down below in the description so that you can find her. This is a collaboration. She did this for me because she's stinking awesome, and I love, love, love her. And her foil is perfect, absolutely perfect. So if you are looking for your new foil, I don't know how to say it right. Foil dealer. Your new foil dealer is Tiny Little Tulip, because you have at least, I think there's 30 or more different color options. So you can pick color options, and the foil is absolutely flawless. Like, she does it perfectly. You have so many options for the colors. It's just, this is what I picked because I thought that this would go the best with this. So this is what I picked, but you have way more choices on the website. So anyway, that's everything that I have so far for the new releases. Remember, there will be some more coming out before the Planner Social sale, which is March 17th. And then I'm also in the Harry Potter sale, which starts right after that. So you have some options for sale times. And yeah, so this is what I got so far. And I will show more probably on Instagram. I'll throw some more of the new stuff up that I'm working on right now that I haven't finished yet because I'm a slacker and I didn't get it done before the 1st. So anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.